Morning, everybody. All right, this is Kent from Razors Edge Sharpening. Today, I'm doing some grooming blades at a local shop. This is a 30B. I believe this is a Blue Yeti blade. Yep. And she is saying this thing gets stuck easily. I'll load it up into our test machine. And oh man, see. It's grabbing, and I mean it's grabbing hard. Can't even get it to move. You hear all that resistance? Bogging down the motor. Alright, so let us see what's going on here. The tension on it seemed decent. It was low. Yeah. Just at the end of the wire there, so it's testing low. Let us take it apart and see what we got going on here. Okay. Doesn't appear to be too dirty. There's a little hair in it, but not bad. We'll dump these in the ultrasonic cleaner for a minute. Brought out the little ultrasonic cleaner today. That's just a little non-commercial one, just because we didn't have too much. While we're at it, we'll check our tension here. That blade guy is pretty tore up, so we'll get a new one of those. Springs don't appear to be too, let's see, a little off, but something that cannot be brought back. Alright. So it doesn't appear to be too bad. Too much bend there. Okay. Wipe these off real quick from the ultrasonic. Already pre-charged the plate. So, you'll have to mind the wind. I got the trailer wide open today because it's about 85 degrees here in Detroit. So, I took most of the residual off. We are going to alright, we'll fire up our little red here. Our plate, it's just where I want it. The damage right there. See how I get that on that side. Here is our 30 blade, sharpened up. Tension on it was pretty good. It's oiled. So let's get our test spur. Oh, beautiful. Cutting through nicely. No resistance. Okay. Let's test out the blade tension on it. It's a little dirty, sorry guys. Right at the edge of the green. So, pardon my French. This blade is good to go. And all is good. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is Kent from Razors Edge. Have a wonderful day.